even get to bras.
So guys, this is the end project of what script we're going to make of today's video. Hey guys, back with another video today. I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own Pixlr. Well, you don't have to use Pixlr, you can use anything else, but Pixlr is the one we're going to be using today to show you how to make your own logo. But all of the links will be in the description, and you can either have space backgrounds or Mount Everest. Like, I've got a mountain background for today's video, and then you pick a texture for the lettering, like snakeskin. I'm using this one. And then you go to difffont.com and you can use any of the fonts you want, but you have to download them. And yeah, basically today we are going to be using Call of Ops, and we are going to be using the A in Call of Ops, which is my last name, Adams. So, oops, sorry about that. So what you want to do is you want to come over to pixlr.com, link in the description, and then it would bring you to a page, and then you go to this page. What you want to do is create a new image once you get to this page, and then you go to 800 width, 800 height. You want it to be transparent, and you can title it whatever you want, like YT logo V2. I did do this yesterday, but sadly the mic audio wasn't recording. What you want to do is then maximize, and you would want to go to this. The first thing you would want to do, I think it's the lettering. Yeah, it's the lettering. So what you want to do is you want to go to this letter down here, click anywhere on the screen, size 130, font the one that you want. Oh no, that's not it. The font's up here. Like I said, we are using Call of Ops, and we want the colour on white. Oh dear. And then you want to do an A. You can do whatever letter, the first letter of your thing. What you want to do is then go back to Move Tool, and you want to press right click on this thing over here, and then rasterize layer, and then go to Edit, Free Transform, and then when you do this, you click on that. Don't move it yet. Hold Shift and move it, because it stays the same size. It's not like that. It's more like that. Not like that. It's like that, and that's what you get. So what we want to do is probably make it a bit skinnier, because it's a bit bold, a bit bigger, and twist it kinda. We have a twist that way, and once you've done that, you want to go to layer. Oh yeah, you want to save it, of course, and then you go to layer, open images layer, and you want to go down to the logo letter background. This was the one I had yesterday. This is going to be the end project, but that'll be at the start of the video. So you then want to go to Edit. Once you got it, Free Transform, and just do it however you want, just like that. You're then just going to click on that, go down to Layer A. Okay, you need to listen very carefully with this, because I've messed up a lot. So you want to go to One Tool, just here. Once you've done that, you want to go to where the A was. Make sure you've got that. You're then going to right click on it, invert selection, go back to layer 2. Before you just right click and go to delete, you don't want to do that. You go to the delete on your keyboard above the enter button, and then that's how this happens. And you just click off the page, and done. Once you've done that, you can delete the A letter at the bottom, and then you can go to layer, open images layer, and then go down to the background you want. I'm going to be using mountain background. You could use space, whatever you want. You're then going to want to go to this button here, and then Edit, Free Transform, and then just go like this. Just don't forget to hold Shift. Oh dear, we have to go a bit up as well, just like that. Looks good. Just going to click on that, left click. Okay, once you've done that, you would then want to go to Adjustments. Hue and Saturation is the one you want to go to. You can have it like that, like hue like that. Oh, that was quite cool. Or you could just colorize it fully. So, like I said, we're using 125. saturation I think was quite high, the lightness was quite dull. Look, you can see that bit there. You go to OK. Once you've done that, you would then go back to the lettering and then do the same thing. Hue saturation, but this is when you want to think a bit different, because you must press colorize, otherwise you won't see it. You want to make sure, I think that was on a 115. Saturation was quite high, and the lightness was quite bright. Saturation was quite low actually. Now I think of it. Yeah, no, it wasn't 10, it was actually 20. 5. Okay, you press OK. The texture makes it stand out. Once you've done that, you then go to new layer, new layer. What you want to do now is go to this thing here, the drawing tool. Just this. Make sure it's on the rectangle, and then what you then want to do is just go like this. Just like you can blind eye this or something like that. But you just got to go around the edges a bit, just like this, and then you go like this, then like this, and yeah. Once you've done that, you just go to filter, guard gauge and blur, and you could just up it a bit. I say 175 is good. That's 75. You see it blurs in a bit, but yeah. So you want to have it on 75, and then what you want to do next is then go to File, Save, Quality 100. Just keep it on that, and then you just have the name. You've already done the name, and you press OK. This is where you choose where to save it. I'm just going to save it there to my USB, and then once you've done that, you're done. That's it, you're just done. So yeah, if you haven't already, like, subscribe. If you have any other video ideas or tutorials you want me to do, just put a comment in down below, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.